The Randolph County Sheriff's Office presents a tutorial on pistol purchase permits. Applications for pistol purchase permits can be found at randolphso.permitium.com. If a person does not have access to a computer or the internet, please contact us and we'll be more than happy to mail an application to you. When mailing, uploading, or dropping off your application, please provide the following additional information: a photocopy of your current North Carolina driver's license or ID card reflecting your current address, a second proof of residency such as a light bill or a vehicle registration card, a notarized mental health release form which is included in the application. If you are mailing or dropping off your application, our address is at 727 McDowell Road, Asheboro. Note: double check your application. Make sure your name and address match correctly on all forms of identification. Also, note any aliases or previous names. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us here at the Randolph County Sheriff's Office. Thank you.